Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Oli Amazing. So thank you. If today is your first time seeing me, you are welcome. This is Oli Amazing. God bless you for stopping by, and please make sure you subscribe and also thumbs up in any of my video you watch, and if you like, so give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to leave a comment in any of the videos. So guys, let's go straight to today's so today's video will be all about this beautiful look I have on this hair. Guys, this is gorgeous. I love it. This is the first time I'm doing a packing gel or what is it called, this kind of style. I kind of I don't know, I decided to like try something different, something that is not something out of my comfort zone. So, and this hair is one of those things, those styles that are not mine. So I decided to try it out, and it's nice. I kind of like it. I never thought I would look nice in this kind of hairstyle. So just show you guys around. This is how nice it looks. So if you guys like to see how I got this look, make sure you stay tuned. Don't go away, okay? Watch. I love you. So guys, like I said, I'll be showing you how I did my natural ponytail hairstyle, and to do so I'll be starting with my hair freshly washed. Not freshly washed. Sorry guys, I actually washed my hair last night, and I braided it this way in order to keep it straightened. So at this point, I'm done unraveling my hair. I'll just go ahead to use my Afro pick comb to comb through my hair. And so at this point, I will be using my Jamaican black castor oil, just a few drops of it, to massage through my scalp and also my hair as well.
Haters please don't come closer, cause I'm a bullet that will try to shoot you. Who knows when the world's coming to an end, but soon though you'll see times like.
Guys, my hair didn't shed a lot like before, which I'm very happy. So now guys, I'll just go ahead to part my hair. I'll part my hair in like to where I would like my ponytail to be.
He lives in me and he lives in me. Jesus stays in me, he lives in me. But the devil's trying to take me down right now. Special thanks to God.
So here we are. This is where I would like my ponytail to be, which is perfect for me. So now we'll just go ahead to create the style I'm going for.
He lives in me, he lives in me, and he lives in you. Jesus stays in me, he lives in me. But the devil's trying to take me down right now. Jesus lives in me, he lives in me, he lives in me, and he lives in you. Jesus stays.
Guys, for no reason I don't know, I kind of had time parting my hair this time around. To an extent, I'm unable to part my hair the right I don't know how to say it, but okay. So now I'll be creating I'll be doing one corn roll at the center of my hair, and to do so I just applied my eco styler gel, so in order to help keep my hair sleek and neat. Yeah, and also I'm making sure not to conroll it too tight or even too loose. Yes,
Jesus stays in me, he lives in me, but the devil's trying to take me down right now. Jesus lives in me, he lives in me.
so for the hair I left out in both sides, I went ahead to part the other side of my head, which you are seeing. I parted the other side of my hair, like you can see off camera. So now I'll be showing you how I did that. So after parting my hair, I'll be applying some of my Cantu twist and lock gel. Yeah,
Of microscopic thoughts going around your head, just the way heaven is real, that's thinking hell is real. So we all have the option to make.
and now I will be using some of my elastic band to tie the hair like so. Yeah,
Jesus stays in me, he lives in me, but the devil's trying to take me down right now. Jesus lives in me, he lives in me, he lives in me, and he lives in you.
so guys, I just went off camera to to part the rest of my hair. As you guys can see, one of the rubber bands got broken or cut or something. So now we are ready to create our style. So to do so, I'll be applying some of my Cantu twist and lock to my parted hair, to each portion, and then start twisting like so. I'm just doing a two strand twists in each of the portion. Yeah, like you see me do. And then yeah, this is the style I'm going for. So I'll just use my crochet needle to crochet the twist across the other one behind the twist I created in front. Yeah, like so. This is what I'll be doing in the rest, or I'll be doing to the rest of them all, like you see.
Jesus lives in me, he lives in me, he lives in me, and he lives in you. Jesus stays in me, he lives in me, but the devil's trying to take me down right now. Jesus lives in me, he lives in me, he lives in me, and he lives in you. Jesus stays in me, he lives in me, but the devil's trying to take me down right now. Damn it, what I say, I'm not here to play, cause it's crystal clear that life isn't fair. And if you wanna know why it's just so, you've got to pay attention without any distraction. This life that we're living in is just so evil. The good always die while the bad always survive. There is no more trust, instead there is loss, which brings so much.
So if you guys can understand what I'm doing now, I just crisscross the twisted braids to the one I did, to the rubber bands or puff I created, and then after that I'll just join them to attach them together, and then twist the both the one I crisscrossed to the one I added, the one I add, the one from the front, or do I say it? Both the twist and the puff, I'll join them together. Yeah, I don't know if you guys will understand. And then twist both of them together. This is how I got this crisscross, this, what do I call this, box. This box is, you see, at the top of my head.
Moving about like haters, cause you know their ambition is more than their illusion. Just like the psalmist said, you watch and pray, cause there are so many predators looking for some prey. The mountains may be high, that doesn't mean I can climb, but all you've done.
So I just went ahead to do the same thing, like crisscrossing and twisting them together, and also using the rubber band to hold them before twisting. Yeah, like so. And now we are this is the final braids. We are done crisscrossing. Now we just go ahead to twist the last braids, like so.
Down right now, Jesus lives in me, He lives in you, He lives in me, and He lives in you. Jesus stays in me, He lives in me. All the devils try to take me down right now. The world we're living in is turning to a jungle, cause
I got so excited for the fact that I'm trying out a new hairstyle for the first time. That's why you're seeing me dancing, and also I was dancing to my music. I wouldn't say my favorite song, but it's actually a music I love so much. Yeah, a song I love so much. Yeah.
To an end, but soon though you'll see time's like a stone throw. Never ever turn back, cause what you might see can be more than what you can take.
So now I'm just slicking down my hair using the Eco Styler gel to slick down my hair, and then I'll just go ahead to brush my hair using a beard brush, or what is it called? Yeah, this brush. I'll just be slicking it down. Guys, it's really a huge task. Like, it's not easy at all to, I don't know, maybe I didn't get the right Eco Styler gel, but as you can see, my hair was not well slicked, but it's nice.
It's Big Kenny on this track. Yeah, Jesus lives in me, He lives in me, He lives in me, and He lives in you.
So now I'll just go ahead to do the same thing to the other portion of my hair. As you can see, I've slicked it down. Now I'll just go ahead to do the same thing to the remaining hair, yes, to the rest of my hair.
And if you wanna know why it's just so, you've got to pay attention without any distraction. This life that we're living in is just so evil. The good always die while the bad always survive. There is no more trust, instead there is loss, which brings so much cost from He who died on the cross. And that makes it worse, cause the world is like a place of war, which isn't meant to be. But what I've got to tell you is that a holy man is not a holy man, cause I'm a great example of this true story. When there was a robbery in my neighborhood, I thought I would be booked.
So guys, I'm done slicking down my hair. Now I'm just using some of my got to be glue, yeah, gel to add some to make it to slick more, yes. And now I'm just using my socks cap, putting on my socks cap in order to help slick the hair even more. And then I just went ahead to tie my hair down with a scarf. So guys, here we are again. I went off camera to apply my makeup. As you guys know, my makeup is always simple. And so guys, this is the ponytail I will be using. And if you want to know how I got this ponytail, guys, I made it myself. Yes. And in case you haven't watched a video where I made this ponytail you're seeing, I'll be leaving the link to this video somewhere, so you can go ahead and watch in order for you to make your own ponytail. So I just went ahead and attached the ponytail to my hair. And
Lives in you, Jesus stays in me. He lives in me. All the devils try to take me down right now. The world we're living in is turning to a jungle.
so now I'll just go ahead to tie wrap the strings around my head in order to hide them in. Yeah.
So many kids in the heart of fake people. They don't have a heart, just like Illuminati. Haters please, don't come closer.
As you can see, I'm just playing around my hair, trying to make sure I get it to look the way I want it to. Yes, I don't know if you understand. Just playing around it to get the desired look I want, you know, the fluffy and also nice, you know. Like you see, the ponytail is so nice, so beautiful, and I love it. So at this point, I will just go ahead I just went ahead to add and added some of my hair accessories. Like you see, yes, I was having gold and the silver, but I because I've used them before, the golden ones ended up breaking, and I was left with just the silver, so I just had to manage what I have. As you can see, I'm happy. I love the hair, and I hope you love this style, and also I hope you enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't. See you guys in my next video.
Just so evil, the good